Adobe just did it again. This time they broke the Adobe Acrobat Reader installer for Windows 10 and 11. Now this is a fresh install of Windows. Okay, there's nothing in here yet. So if we have a look, you see we are on Windows 11 25 H2. So let's go and try to download the Adobe. So you just put get reader and get to the Adobe website. Beside that, it comes full of junk now. You see, if you just rush and click the download the Adobe, it will automatically download the Adobe Express photo. So let's just untick this and download it. Okay, so now let's run the installer. And see what's going on. And it's not working, you see? It's not starting. Okay. Just in case, let's go back and let's try to download with their junk software. Let's see. So we are now installing it bundled with their Express Acrobat photo. So let's see if maybe, you see, this one didn't even start. And this one is installing. I'll show you how you can get it and install it without any hassle, okay? So now let me finish installing this so I can remove it then. Okay, so the installation of the Adobe Express is done. The Acrobat is failing to install, okay? So let's finish and let's see. Finish. And you see we got the Acrobat in here. The Express photo. Let me remove it because I don't want it. And let's see. Acrobat, nothing. There's no Acrobat. Okay, so to install it, all you have to do is download the full installer instead of the web installer. So what you do, you go up in here and type get. You see, you go to this link in here. So we are in the same page like before. If you click in here, you're gonna download again the installer, the web installer that will fail. So all you need to do is go to get.adobe.com/reader, and then you have to go on the end in here and just write enterprise and type enter. Now you see the page has changed. You can change to your language in here. First choose the operating system, so you can get Windows 11, 10, Server 8, 7, whatever. We're just going to say 11 because we are on Windows 11 on this system. Choose the language. You see you've got all your languages in here. This is a Spanish version of Windows, so I need to install the Spanish version. And then you can choose, we only have one option in here, and just say download. Now it's downloading. The installer is 585 megabytes. Okay. Let's go back to our download folder. Just for fun, let's download the regular web installer just to see the file size. Okay, so the web installer that is failing is 1 meg, 1.5 meg, and the full installer is 600. Okay, so this is the failing one. We're going to remove this because we don't want it. Okay, and let's install it from this one. Okay, just click yes, and now it's going to extract and install with no errors. Anyway, just let it finish, do its job, and see if it's working. Okay, so it's finished extracting. Now that it has extracted, it's going to start installing. If you want to make it your default PDF reader. This is already selected. If you do not want this, you can just untick this. Then if you will install on this path in here. If you want to change the destination, you can do so clicking this button in here. Otherwise, just click install. This will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so you jump immediately. Okay, so now it's installing. Let's see if it's finishing. Okay, so you see the desktop shortcut is already being created, and let's see what it's doing. Come on, finish already. Okay, so you see installation complete. The program has installed successfully. Click finish to exit installation. So clicking finish. You want to no, we don't want to restart the computer. Let's try to open the Adobe and see if it's starting fine. So here you have it, guys. If you have the same problem, I'll post the link in the description. Just go to the link from the Adobe Enterprise and download the full version of Adobe instead of the web installer that is for now broken. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.